Hello, Kem Cho. I'm Jai Kumari from Heritage City of India, Ahmedabad. If you are somebody who is using words like timesheet, daylight savings, billable resource, stand-up meetings, scrum, if you are using this kind of words in your day-to-day life, you are at the right place. I am a life coach for IT professionals, software professionals. Since last 2006, I have been part of IT industry or software industry, and I started as a fresher in this industry. And currently, I'm owning a company, and we are developing softwares also. But since last 2016 December, I got interested into personal development space as well. So since last 2017, I am into coaching, and till now I have been doing it free of cost. But now I would like to monetize the skill of mine, time of mine. So I'm here for all the IT professionals and software guys, knowing this industry so well. Also working in a small startup company like only 3 resources, to a mid-sized company wherein there are 7,000 to 10,000 resources, and I work for service-based companies as well as product-based companies. I worked for overseas clients like UK and USA, and clients like Pearson, Boeing, US Army, Comcast. So these are the few clients with whom I worked. So I know what is the work culture and what kind of stresses people are going through. And I would like to conduct a webinar for IT and software professionals only, so that I can cater to the problems or challenges or struggles they are having in their professional life, and how they can go to the next level. Okay, so this is the video I'm recording for all the IT professionals and software professionals for whom I'll be conducting a webinar. So I'll be sharing a Google form along with this, so you can give your details, you can fill up the form, and then you can attend that webinar. So see you in that webinar, and till the time, God bless, take care, bye bye.